Very good morning, children. Today in the mathematics, we will try to understand the unitary method. Means where we can use this method to solve the mathematical problems. So with the help of an activity, we will try to understand. So in our activity, we have to use two tools. One is a sketch pen and the second one is these are the tablets. In our activity, we will assume these sketch pen as a patient and these are the tablets which required equally to treat these patients. Means these tablets, these are required equally for the treatment of these patients. They are suffering from the same kind of illness. So let's see how many patients are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total how many? Total 4 patients are there. So here we can write pens are the patient and these are the tablets. So first of all we will count how these are total 12 tablets and this is total 4 patients are there. Suddenly what happened? 15 more patients came to the hospital. How many? 15 more patients came to the hospital for the treatment. Now can you tell me or can you guess how many more tablets are required for the treatment of these 15 patients? So first of all, with the help of these two, let's see. Total how many? 4 patients are there and 12 tablets. So each patient, can we count? Total 1, 1, 1, 1. First we will calculate the number of tablets required by each patient. Yes. So here you can see each patient required how many tablets? 3 tablets. It is very clear, 3 tablets. But rather than one by one, easily you can calculate. Here the patient, we can divide, simply we can divide 12 divided by how many patient? 4. Means each patient required 3 tablets. Is that clear? So you have to remember this thing. 12 are the tablets and 4 are the patient and 3 tablets are required for the treatment of each patient. So always you remember this thing, the thing which we have to divide. Here what we have to divide? The tablet we have to divide. So tablet would come first, which is a dividend, and the 4, it will come next to the tablets. It is a 4 are the patient and it is a divisor. So dividend divided by divisor, we will get the quotient. It is a very simple division. So here I am not showing you, but easily you can calculate. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 tablets. So already one patient means number of tablets required by one patient is 3. So how many tablets are required by 15 patient? So simply what you will do? 15 multiplied by 3 is equal to 45 tablets. Tablets are required by 15 patients. So this method in which first we calculate for the unit values, means first we have calculated for one patient 3 tablets and after that we have calculated for 15 patient. That's why it is called as the unitary method. Why we call it as a unitary? Because first we calculate for unit values. It may be the price, it may be the length, it may be anything, whatever the parameter is given. Means unit price or unit values. That's why it is called as unitary method. Unit values, that's why it is called as the unitary method. Unitary method, because first we calculate for one values. What we have done, we have calculated for one patient. For one patient 3 tablets are required. For 15, how many required? 45. Simply the 15 multiplied by 3, 45 tablets. Let's take one more example along with this. Already you understood, I hope you understood the activity. Here I have taken one more question for you. The cost of 8 kg sugar is rupees 320. What will be the cost of 5 kg sugar? So it is very difficult to find out the price of 5 kg sugar. So what we will do? First, we have to calculate the price of 1 kg sugar, which is called the unitary method. So unit value, the cost of 8 kg sugar is rupees 320. Now cost of 1 kg, simply 320 divided by 8. Not 8 divided by 320. Always you remember, we have to divide rupees 320. So it should come first. It is a dividend and 8 is a divisor. So 320 divided by 8 is equal to rupees 40. So here we have calculated 1 kg price. That's why it is called as the unitary method. After that, the price of 5 kg, how we can calculate? Simply the price of 1 kg is 40. The price of 5 kg multiplied by 5. 40 multiplied by 5 is equal to 200. So this would be the answer. Is that clear, children? So you can use or you can take some other tool which is available in your home to perform this activity. I have taken the patient and tablets. You can take some other tools or other items for your activity. Okay, children. Thank you very much.